Jack Ivanov. Well, Jack Ivanov was a businessman, lobbyist, and movie producer. He was born in Atlantic City on February 28th of 1958. He was the person who made the Sun Cruise Casino dealing scandal and the Native American lobbying scandal. Lobbying is giving money to a politician in a legal way, so he was a great lobbyist. He was lobbyist for Sudan, South Africa, and the Republican Party. He studied in Georgetown University in law school, and he was part of the Massachusetts Alliance of College Republicans. In 2006, he went to his grand jury, and he was sent to jail for 5 years. And then he was a great friend of President Bush, so he begged for pardon, and President Bush in the grand jury, he was accused of mail fraud, conspiracy to bribe public officials, and tax evasion. Well, I chose this guy because I saw this movie, Casino Jack, and it was a really fun movie because at the end of every speech and letter, he said, "My name is Jack Ivanov, and I work out every single day." Even in the letter to President Bush, he said, "My name is Jack Ivanov, and I work out every single day." So it was really fun.
That's awesome. I haven't seen.